Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the message Google Chrome is managed by your organization. This message usually appears when Chrome policies are set on your system. Sometimes this happens after installing software, antivirus programs, or browser extensions. First, close Google Chrome completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Next, open your browser and search for Stefan VD's Chrome Policy Remover. Always download this tool from the official website stefanvd.net. When you open the tool, your antivirus may show a warning. This happens because the tool edits system policies. If you are using the official version, you can safely allow it to run. Once the tool opens, follow the on-screen instructions and let it scan and remove Chrome policies. This only takes a few seconds. When it finishes, restart your computer. After the restart, open Google Chrome again. Go to the menu and check if the Managed by Your Organization message is gone. In most cases, the issue will be fixed. Thanks for watching.